guys, I was tagged by Eric at the ebomey channel to do a pocket dump. So, back pocket, back left pocket, wallet, back right pocket, Samsung S9 Plus, front left pocket, spare mag in a snap mag, or snag mag, excuse me, magazine holder. Front right pocket, Kershaw Blur, love that knife. And I have my keys and the Smith & Wesson Shield 9mm with the Hive Technology +2 extension on there. Now I'm supposed to tag 2 people. Now I'm going to tag Adam at the AlphaRomero-OneFive channel, and let's do Alex at the Strictly Plinking channel. Show us your EDC or do a pocket dump, whatever you want to call it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.